Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. She to the office every morning. A go. B goes. C going. They lunch when I called. A were having. They are having. K was having. By next week, the final report. A will have finished, B will finish, C have finish. A bouquet of flowers on the table. A is, B are, C were. Neither of the answers correct. A are, B is, C were. If I would accept the offer. A was, B were, C am. The number of applicants increasing each year. A are, B is, C were. A pair of jeans on the chair. A is, B are, C were. She insisted on quietly. A, leave. B, leaving. K, to leave. He made me the work again. A to do. They doing. C, doing. We here since 2020. A lived. They have lived. C lived. The committee meeting tomorrow. A is, B are. C were. C were. There are many reasons to delay. A is, B are, C was, B was. Little known about his early life. A is, B are, C were. She prefers coffee instead of tea. A drinking. B to drink. C drink. He said he tired yesterday. A is, B was, C were. This is the first time I sushi. A have tried. They had tried. C tried. You not smoke here. A must, B must, sent. C should. By 7 p.m., they for hours. A will have been waiting. B have been waiting. C were waiting. Either the students or the teacher late. A are, B is, C were. The scissors on the desk. A is Abe or A was. "10 miles a long walk. A is, they are, C were. She to London every month. A fly, B flies, C flew. The children outside now. A are, B is, C was. We to the zoo yesterday. A, go, B, went, C, gone. He his car this morning. A washed, B washes, C washes. They already left the station. A, have, B, has, C, had. She her homework before dinner. A finished, ba finishes, ka. The train at 6 p.m. daily. A leaves, B leave, C leave. I my phone on the desk. A put, B puts, C putting. She not like fast food. A does, B do, C did.
They reading when I arrived. A were, B was, C are.
I breakfast at 8 yesterday. A eat, B ate, C eaten. He in New York since 2015. A lived, B has lived, C lives. The book on the shelf. A is, B are, C were, C were. We tired after the long trip. A were, they are, C was. She already read that book. A has, B have, C had. He to the party last night. A goes, B went, ka, gone. The baby crying now. A is, AR, C, was, C. I him many times. A have seen, B saw, C, see. They to the concert tomorrow. A are going, B goes, C went. The dog loudly. A barks, B bark, C bark, C bark. She me a gift yesterday. A gave, B give, Key gives. We lunch at 1 p.m. daily. A eat, B ate, C eaten. He's swimming every Sunday. A goes, B go, C went. They already arrived. A have, B has, C had. We playing football last evening. A were, B are, C was. Nothing but old papers in the drawer. A is, they are, C were, C were. Many a student nervous before exams. A is, A are, C were. By the end of the day, we set 20 tasks. A will have completed, B completed, Key have completed. Share it with your friends, haha, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.